Ever opened your checkbook to write a payment and realized you're down to your last 2 checks? That's definitely a panic moment, but getting a new supply of checks for your region's bank account is actually quick and painless. If you're a region's customer, you have a few simple, convenient ways to order a new box of checks, whether you prefer to bank online, over the phone, or in person. We're here to walk you through all the options so you can choose the one that works best for you. First up, the most popular and easiest method, online banking. If you're enrolled in Regions Online Banking, log into your account. From there, navigate to the Customer Service tab. Look for the section called Account Services, and you should find an option to order checks and deposit slips. Selecting this will take you to Regions Check Provider, Harlan Clark, where you can reorder your current design or even pick a brand new style. You'll also be able to review personalization and choose your starting check number. Next, let's talk about ordering by phone. Maybe you're away from your computer, or you just prefer to talk to a person. No problem. You can call Regions directly at 1-800-REGIONS. That's 1-800-734-4667. A customer service representative will be able to assist you with your order, confirm your account details, and let you know the cost and delivery time. This is also a great option if you need to make changes to the name or address printed on your checks. Finally, you can always handle it in person at your local branch. If you happen to be running errands or prefer the face-to-face service, just stop by any Regions bank branch. A teller or banker can process your check order right there for you. This is especially helpful if it's your very first time ordering checks for a new account, as they can ensure all the information is set up correctly. Keep in mind that the cost for checks varies based on the style, quantity, and your specific account type. Regions will show you the price and any applicable discounts during the online ordering process, or the representative can tell you when you call or visit a branch. Standard delivery is trackable and typically included in the cost, but expedited shipping is usually available for an extra fee. So whether you're clicking, calling, or visiting, ordering new checks for your Regions account is just a few steps away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.